Hello friends. So next we will discuss about strcpy function, string function. So strcopy is used to copy the value of one string to another. So the syntax is strcpy. So this is the destination string, comma source string. So this source value will be copied to destination string. So we can check with an example. So we have one character string, character str1. We can tell size 20. That is free code. And another character, that is str2, size is 20. Okay, then we need to copy the str1 value to str2 string. Okay, so here we can use strcpy copy. Okay, we need to copy to string2 from the source is str1. Then we can printf str1. You can tell percentages str1. You can tell new line also slash n. Copy this. Print str2 also. Str2. Can tell str2. Okay, so the header file is string.h. Okay, now we will run this. Now we are getting the output. String 1 also free coding, string 2 also free coding. Suppose here we are decreasing the size. In other compiler, it will throw error. Yeah. Suppose here we are telling like 5. Okay. So this size is more than 5, right? So actually in other compiler, it will throw error. See, we are getting coding only. Okay. So the destination string size is equal or more than the source destination string size. Okay. So this way we can copy the strings. So without using strcpy, how we can do that? So we can comment this. So in this case, we can use, we need to loop each character in this string. Okay. So we can use for loop or any other loop. In this case, we can just use while loop. I equal to 0. First we can declare. Then while we can tell str1 of this I not equal to null terminator. Okay. So it is not a null terminator. Then what we can do? str2 of I equal to str1 of I. We can do pay each character and assign this character value to here, str2. Okay. Then we need to increment I plus plus. Okay. After this loop, this string also we need to add the null terminative. Okay. So here we can tell str2 of I equal to stress. Now we can just run this code. Sorry, we need to tell here not equal to empty string, right? It equal to null terminating operator. Then we will run this. Now also we are getting the same out. Okay, so this way we can copy the string. Okay, thanks for watching.